Hello everyone, we're back today for the presentation and, above all, the assembly of a motorized sail for Espace Ombrage. What's a motorized sail? Good question. It's a sail that can be automatically unfurled and furled according to need and weather conditions. The idea is to create a living space for the building's users so they can relax and enjoy a meal in the shade. Come on, follow us. We're going to focus today on the first stage, which is the installation of the anchoring points. This has already been done, so the pumas have already been installed here and here, and there's one last one over there. There will be a final wall anchor point right here. There are several stages to the installation of this motorized sail. The first stage, as you've seen, is the installation of the fixing points. We're now waiting for the sail and the balsam to tell you a little more about it. We'll meet up again a few days later once we've received the final components. We can now start assembling the motors, which will attach to the poles. Next, we'll set the pulleys at the desired heights and finalize the whole process by passing the rope through the pulleys. Once we've installed the motor, prepared the rope, and made the electrical connections, we can move on to the second pole and do exactly the same thing. We've even installed a small wind turbine on top of it. We're now ready to assemble the balsam on which the sail will be furled. It has arrived, as you can see, in 3 pieces. The aim will be to attach the 3 sections, then thread the sail onto them and hang it between the wall and the post, as per the original plans. Here's the result once the balsam has been hung high. Now all we need to do is set the parameters and we'll look at them together. First of all, we'll define the limit switches so that the sail is properly tensioned once deployed, but also so that it is properly furled on demand or according to the weather. And now that you know everything, here's the result.